Hello dear students, in this video we will solve questions on BPT and Converse of Bpt. The following are our learning objectives in this video. First, we will recapitulate the conditions of BPT and Converse of Bpt, and then we will apply BPT and Converse of Bpt to relate the sides of a triangle. First, let's have a quick recapitulation of BPT and Converse of Bpt. First, BPT, basic proportionality theorem or the Thales theorem. It states that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle such that it intersects the other two sides in distinct points, then the two sides are divided in the same ratio. Here, line DE has been drawn parallel to BC such that it intersects AB at point D and AC at point E. In this case, we will have AD by DB equals to AE by EC. Now, Converse of BPT, just the reverse of BPT. It states that if a line intersects the two sides of a triangle such that it divides the two sides in equal ratios, then the line dividing the two sides will be parallel with the third side. Here, DE is intersecting AB at D and AC at E such that the ratio of AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. In this case, we will have the line DE parallel with the third side of the triangle, that is BC. DE parallel with BC. Now, we will apply BPT and Converse of BPT to solve some questions. The first question. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. We need to find the length of AD. Here, DE is dividing the line segments AB and AC into four parts. AE equals to 1.8 centimeter, EC equals to 5.4 centimeter, DB equals to 7.2 centimeter, and we need to find the length of AD. Since it is given to us that DE is parallel to BC, using BPT, we will get the ratio of the two sides equal. That is, AD by DB equals to AE by EC. On putting the values, AD, we need to find the length of AD by DB is 7.2 equals to AE is 1.8 divided by EC, which is 5.4. On the right hand side, we have one digit after decimal places, so we can cancel out the decimal. Now we have AD by 7.2 equals to 18 by 54. 18 ones are 18, 18 threes are 54. So we got AD by 7.2 equals to 1 by 3. Now we will take 7.2 towards the right hand side. AD equals to 7.2 into 1 are 7.2 divided by 3. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 1 will get carried over towards the right, and after decimal we will get 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So AD equals to 2.4 centimeter. Now the next question. In the given figure, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. We need to put that BF by FE equals to BE by EC. Here we will work on the triangles which will be defined by the given conditions, the given parallel conditions. So given to us, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. We need to prove BF by FE equals to BE by EC. First, we will work on the triangle ABC, as it is given to us that DE is parallel to AC and DE parallel to AC falls on the triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. This is given to us. So by BPT, we can say that DE will divide the two sides BA and BC in the same ratio. Using BPT, we will get BD by DA equals to BE by EC. We will put this as equation 1. Now next, it is given to us that DF is parallel to AE, and this can be worked out in the triangle ABE. DF parallel to AE. In triangle ABE, it is given to us that DF is parallel to AE. So by BPT, we can say that DF will divide the two sides BA and BE in the same ratio. Using BPT, we will get BD by DA equals to BF by FE. We will put this as equation 2. Now, in equation 1 and equation 2, we can see that BD by DA is the common part, and that is the part we don't want in the proof. So, we will put the value of BD by DA from equation 2 in equation 1. On doing so, the value of BD by DA in equation 2 is BF by FE. So, on the left hand side of equation 1, we will replace BD by DA by BF by FE. So, we will get BF by FE equals to BE by EC. Hence the proof. Next question. In the given figure, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. We need to show that EF is parallel to QR. So again, we will work on the triangles with the help of the given conditions, and then we will come to the proof. First, it is given to us that DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. We need to prove EF is parallel to QR. So, DE parallel to OQ can be worked out in the triangle POQ. In triangle POQ, it is given to us that DE is parallel to OQ. So, by BPT, we can say that DE will divide the sides PO and PQ in the same ratio. So, using BPT, we will get PD by DO equals to PE by EQ. Let's put this as equation 1. Now, the next condition is DF is parallel to OR. DF parallel to OR can be worked out in the triangle POR. In triangle POR, we have DF parallel to OR. By BPT, we can say that DF will divide the two sides PO and PR in the same ratio. So, using BPT, we will get PD by DO equals to PF by FR. We will put this as equation 2. Now, in equation 1 and equation 2, we can see that PD by DO is the common part. That means the quantities that we have on the right of equation 1 and equation 2 should also be equal. On comparing equation 1 and equation 2, we will get PE by EQ from equation 1 equals to PF by FR from equation 2. Since we had PD by DO common in both equation 1 and equation 2. The equality of PE by EQ and PF by FR can be evaluated in the triangle PQR. So here EF is dividing the sides PQ and PR in equal ratio. So by converse of Bpt in triangle PQR, we will get EF parallel to QR. So we have applied the concept of converse of Bpt in this question. Now, these are similar questions which we have done in the video as part of your assignment. Try to do this. Thank you and have a nice day.